All right, in this video, working on the Wildcat, we're going to put a rear window in this Wildcat 4X1000. Here is the part number if you are looking for one to do it yourself. Hopefully that's clear enough, maybe. Not focusing. But this is the soft panel, the rear panel kit it says. I ordered mine from Country Cat. Same place I also ordered the winch plate from, and they are quick with shipping and have parts that most of my local side-by-side places don't have. So this is them. Not sponsored, but really appreciate their quick shipping, and so far the products are great. I mean, they're OEM, so they should be. But I opted for a soft rear window. So we'll see how this goes. I'm not quite sure the procedure here, so we can all learn together. Let's get this set up. It's not too windy. I might roll this forward and close the garage. So we currently have a roof on it. It looks like there's room up here. So hopefully it'll be easy enough. All right. So, probably can't read it, but it says feed the Velcro strap around the rear of the ROPS. I have no idea what that is. Rear something. And then feed and connect the Velcro underneath the top safety net bracket. So it looks like we might be starting on a corner here. I don't know. We'll start. We'll see how it goes. Mine might not work as well because it appears you have to connect to a stock safety net. And I think I have aftermarket doors. So might have to make that work. But when they're talking about the ROPS or ROPS, it's this piece in here. So you go around this. So if we bring this over here, it's under the Velcro. And then if you look up, it goes, let's see if I can get a better angle of that. So it goes on the inside of this part here. Like so. And this comes over to connect to it, like so. I think I gotta loosen the other side because I can't get this pulled tight over here, so I might have over tightened it a little bit. I think that's roughly about it. Looks like crap, so I probably have to tighten some things up. And like I said, it's probably different if you actually have the netting here. Like this is kind of awkward without it. So maybe I need to go down around this maybe. Maybe that'll make it seem a little better. I don't know. I think it'll do its job though. The last step is you have to come in here, and there's a double-sided piece of Velcro right here on this center piece. And so it says to clean this area really well with alcohol, and then peel it and stick it, and then it'll be done. And then from there, I'll just be fine adjustments. But I ran mine up through there, and then ran this one below the seatbelt bracket, and that one I ran through that hoop there. Did the same on both sides, but I'll adjust it a little bit and try to get her straightened out. But I'm just hoping to lessen the amount of dirt and mud and dust that comes in here when riding. I think it'll do it. I don't think a lot of junk will get past here once I get that center Velcro piece down and adjusted this a little more. But that'll be it. Hopefully you found it useful. Again, here's the part number 1436-839. And do not use on an open trailer with the panel installed. Oh, so you have to take this off if you go put it on a trailer? That sucks. Okay. Well, I guess if you plan on open trailering your side-by-side, don't get this one. Because we have an open trailer. So I guess we'll see how that works out. But hopefully this video helped you out. If you liked it, if it helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get some riding videos of this soon, where we don't break or get stuck in the mountains overnight. Anyway, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.